welcome back to another freaking video. So as you can read by the title, today we are going to be doing my spring/summer inventory haul, and I'm actually super excited to film this video because I've never really done a collection with somebody. Like, it's always just been me myself judging my outfits, me myself judging the quality, me myself judging the style. So the fact that I get to do this with you guys is super exciting. And I actually still didn't even open the box yet, so y'all are literally the first people who are getting to see this. So let's go ahead and get started by using my handy dandy box cutter that I got when I used to work at Publix. What a joke. But anyways, let's go ahead and start cutting. So we got the box, guys. You can see here it says Baddie all night. Anyways, make sure to cut it open. Collect yourself. I'm actually super excited now because I didn't realize how much I ordered. Now let's open them up. Let's open these babies. Alright, so as I'm unboxing, I just want to talk about some of the things that I've gotten. So I haven't tried any of these on yet, but this dress that I ordered, like, I'm holding it and you can feel that this thing is heavy. Like, this is not going to be see-through. I can tell this is like double, triple layered. Yeah, your underwear is not getting anywhere with these. Like, this is, wow. Yeah, this is really good quality. This other dress that I got, I'm actually really surprised because this part here where your boobies go, it's actually stretchy for, you know, the girls that are bigger up here. And I know for me personally that's not a struggle, but for a lot of girls that is. So I'm completely thrown off because I thought that this was gonna be really stiff and, you know, not really stretchy, but it does in fact stretch out. So it's great for girls that have bigger breasts. So I was pleasantly surprised with this one as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and hang up some of my sizes. That way this video can be a little bit easier. I'm already obsessed because this is one of the dresses that I ordered, and I also ordered it in lilac. And the way it looked in the model, it was super, super cute. So I can't wait to see what it looks like on me and on you guys. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and hang it up. So I went ahead and hung everything up, and now we're ready to try them on. Hi guys, so I actually had to come back and film this video in the morning because I was testing the angles last night and I couldn't really get the good lighting that I wanted since it was already pretty late. So I will be filming this video today instead of yesterday, and so that's why everything looks a little bit different. But I haven't tried these outfits on yet, and I'm going to do it today with you guys, so let's get started. So this is dress number 1, guys. I do live in Florida, so I have a bit of a farmer's tan right now, so don't judge. And yeah, I really like it. I think the one thing I would do is definitely pin it right here, because for me it's just a little too open, but I like this dress. Wait, I might have just did something. I just did something, hold on. We're gonna make this into a knot, like this, and I'm just gonna tie it again. Okay, yeah, this, way better. I am in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I like it a lot. I think this would be great for, you know, a little brunch at Hyde Park, or, you know, a little yacht dinner. You really can't go wrong with this dress. Like, I am so in love. Here it is up close. Sorry if I'm looking up, I'm trying to see myself in the camera so I can see if I'm in frame or not, since I'm moving around a lot in this video. But yeah, this is it, guys. Details. So yeah, that's dress number 1. Go ahead and rate it and let me know what you think. All right, y'all, dress number 2. Yes, so this is basically the same dress as the other one, except it's in the color peach. And I actually think I do like this color better. I have it paired with the same exact purse and the same exact heels. So it's cute. I can see this for the same reasons, you know, a brunch, a nice little nightclub. I'm wearing like a thick banded coral thong. I actually picked a coral thong so I can test it with my other dresses and make sure that the color is not transparent. And you can see here it's not. The quality is really good, and It's super, super cute. It's very spring, very summery, and I think you guys would love this dress. I did the same thing that I did with the other one by tying the knot, and I can show you guys up close real quick so you can see what I mean. So yeah, this is the one, guys. I love how it looks from the side and back as well. So yeah, that's dress number 2. All right, dress number 3, guys. All right, let's look in the mirror. This should be illegal. I don't know if you guys are seeing this right now, but like, look at this. I love the split in the back. It gives it like a touch of sophistication, femininity, if that's the word. But yeah, guys, I'm in love. Also, if you want to know where I got my extensions from, I got them from Amazon. And I actually didn't blend them that well today, but when they are blended, these are quality for the low. And I've been using them for about a year. So if you want to know where I got the extensions as well, I'm going to go ahead and link them in my bio. And yeah, I'm just like, I'm in love. I don't know what to say, like, wow. 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 Y'all better cop this one before it's gone. That's all I have to say. All right, sorry, I'm way too in the mood, so let's move on to the next dress because this is not gonna end. Ooh, let me mention one more thing before I forget. Remember how I said that I was wearing a coral thong? Well, it's got a thick band and everything, and not to be TMI, but like even when I bend over, you can't see it. So that should give you a good idea of the quality of this dress, and I think y'all should definitely cop it. So go ahead and grab it, and yeah, let's move on to the next dress. All right, so dress number 4. Let's see. To be honest with you guys, I wasn't really too sure about the color when I purchased this, but I'm actually loving it with the gold. Like, this is such a vibe. If you live in Tampa, you know about Ybor City, and you know that I would definitely wear this over there. And yeah, like imagine an expensive dinner and you show up in this, you're gonna get bagged. That's just point blank period, sis. And I paired it with the same clear heels that I got from Amazon. So if you guys are interested in buying those, I will link those as well. They go so good with any outfit and they're pretty comfortable. So yeah, this is outfit number 4. And I'm actually really in love with this dress. Like, I'm surprised by how much I like it. And here's a close-up as well. My camera's monitor keeps turning off, I don't know why, and it's driving me crazy because I can't see what I'm filming. That's why I keep looking at my phone. But yeah, guys, this is definitely really cute. And from the side again, and I'm gonna do the same pose for you guys that I did for the other one. You guys can see by nature, I kind of already do have a booty, but if you turn to the side a little and just squeeze that cheek, it just gives it that accentuation. So yes, there's a little tip for you. And yeah, so I love this dress. Again, I apologize for looking at my phone because my camera wants to act dumb. And yeah, love, love, love. All right, guys, next dress. Ooh, okay, so this one's super cute. At first, I was trying on the medium and it was kind of a tight fit. I'm sure I could have fit into it, but I didn't want to risk the chance of ripping it in case somebody did want to purchase it. But y'all, this one, super cute. I always like to accessorize browns with silver. I have a silver heart and lock necklace and some rhinestone heels. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I'll insert a video here. But yeah, I love this dress. I will say, like, for me, the problem is the top part is a little bit loose. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's because I'm what they call little in the middle, but I got much back. So, you know, I gotta kind of finesse my outfits a little bit, but I really like the large in this. I already knew it wasn't gonna be that stretchy because it's satin, and satin's just known to not really be that stretchy. So this is the dress, guys. It's super pretty. This is definitely more of those special occasion kinds of dresses. So yeah, this is the full fit. And I would probably pair this with maybe a rhinestone clutch or some type of purse. So yeah, there's the side. Here's the back. And yeah, on to the next one. All right guys, next dress. I love this one because it's so like summer-esque, so summery. The color is great for people who love bright colors. I paired this again with my clear heels, and I would probably pair it with a clear purse or something. And yeah, so I love this one. It's the same one as the other that I got in a size large, and I paired it with the same necklace. Again, it's a little big up here, but who cares if the overall fit is cute. And yeah, so that's it. And that's dress number whatever. And yeah, let's move on to the very last one. Alright guys, so last outfit. I will admit I did have to change out of my underwear because unfortunately the coral was see-through through this dress, which is a little bit disappointing, but honestly coral is a bold color, so you could have got away with wearing a beige thong or going commando. But I love how this dress shapes me, guys. Just wait till I give you a 360. So this is from the front, side, and then the back, y'all. Like the back, this is really my favorite part. Just for this alone, I would freaking get this dress. And yeah, so that was the very last one. There are just some dresses that really shape you nicely, and this is one of them. I would definitely wear this to maybe like a beach bar or a rooftop pool party. I love this dress, guys. I'm probably gonna keep one for myself as well. Yeah, so I think that is the last dress. So real quick intermission, let me just tell you guys about some posing tips I have, only because I was recently complimented and told that I know how to pose really well to accentuate my body. So one of the things that I do, and I do indeed have hip dips. I don't know if y'all can really see here, but what I'll do is I'll put one leg to the side, turn a little bit, suck in, squeeze this cheek here, that'll give you that hip, and kind of cover up your hip dips like this. So that's one way I pose. And then another one is the classic booty pose. So you can see that naturally, I kind of do have a backside, but it's kind of more flat right here and more round on the bottom and top. And what you want to do is you want to squeeze this cheek just a little bit to give it that roundness, and then just suck in or use your hand to cover your stomach right here. So there's original, and that's when I squeeze it a bit. So you can see it makes it look a little bit more rounder, and you can even put your leg in a bit if you want to. And yeah, so those are my posing tips. And one more that I have is I'll turn this way so that my hip kind of forms like a little curve. And you can squeeze your cheek as well to make your butt look perkier. So you can see I'm squeezing right now. If I'm not, it looks like this. And this is what it looks like if I squeeze. So suck in, squeeze, and turn to the side. And because this dress shapes me so well, I kind of don't have to do this, but usually I'll take my fat and I'll push it down, and it'll make me look even curvier. So that's my other posing tip for you. And yeah, so take those notes down from this video. Whew. Guys, let me just say that video was so hard to shoot, but it was so much fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments which dress was your favorite. Which dress did you like? Which dress did you dislike? How would you have styled it differently? You know, what would you wear that with? So thank y'all so much again for watching. If you want more content on how to start your boutique, tips, tricks, advice, passive income, all that, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a like, and make sure to put on the notification bell so you don't miss any more important videos. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!